Hi, and welcome back to Money and Margaritas date night series. This is question number 2. So grab your drink or your mocktail, sit down with your partner, and get ready to answer this question. You can either separately write it down and then share it with each other, or just think about it for a couple minutes and then discuss it. So here you go. The question is, what is your financial pet peeve? So what is something that you cannot stand that you either do yourself or that you witness someone else doing? So think about that and then share it when you're ready. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that question number 2. The reason why I asked it is because so much research has been shown to basically with relationships that a lot of problems sometimes stem from money or communication about money. So I wanted to get at what kind of bugs you about how people handle their finances so you guys can communicate on those things and make sure that it doesn't become an issue for you. So one thing that for me is a pet peeve that I'll share is not communicating on big purchases. So, if my husband were to go and buy something that's like a couple $100s and not tell me, I would be a little bummed out about that, especially because, we share all of our finances. I just want to make sure that, we're on the same page and we're not just spending money frivolously or in large amounts without consulting with each other. And so as a result, we've talked about it. And anytime that we're planning on making a purchase, of basically, $200 or $300 and more, we check in with the person first before making that purchase. So go ahead and discuss any more of kind of what actions you would take on how to make sure that you're communicating better and avoiding kind of irritation from not communicating about money.